This Jacksonville Wealth Builder investment case study will feature the property at 8418 India Avenue, located in Jacksonville, Florida. This rental property was purchased by a Jacksonville Wealth Builder client named Brian, who currently lives in Centerville, Virginia, and works as an engineer. The sales price for Brian's property was $90,000, and he purchased it with a conventional loan, which allowed him to make a 25% down payment. This case study will look at the cash flow and ROI estimates at the time of purchase. Including the down payment and closing costs, the total projected initial investment required was $27,900. The projected gross income was $13,200. Taking out all expenses including principal, interest, taxes, insurance, property management fees, and maintenance costs, the total projected net income was $3,486.28. This would result in a monthly positive cash flow of $290.52 and an annualized cash-on-cash return of 12.5%. Please note that all numbers reflected in this case study are real and accurate and can be verified by settlement statements and leasing agreements by request. If you'd like to speak with a Jacksonville Wealth Builder investment advisor, please call our office at 904-677-6777.